Hi, back again. This time I had a little fun with Little Piggy Big Bad Wolf story. Um, it was written actually when the second Bush was elected, but right now it seems like voting rights are being suppressed, and maybe it's just time to take a look at the whole picture again. So I revised it a little bit, but it's basically the same poem. Here we go. Silver Wolf. Some little piggies went to market, while other little piggies had none. The big bad wolf said the White House was his, inherited from his big daddy, Bush or Trump or Clinton or Biden. But it was soon discovered that presidents weren't no wolves at all, but piggies in wolves' clothing. Watching from outside even the protest. Now, this she wolf stayed home reading the overstory, having trees ring her chimes, looking for ways to build a strong house, hearing the wind whistle and blow. Are piggies actually all male? Hmm, No, they come in various sexes and colors, I think, but those piggies didn't get to vote. Caged instead, never ahead, the market closed to investors of the wrong color or age or even sex. Unless it's young and for sale, and some old piggy will like to marry it for bacon. These are dreary piggy stories, and what about hungry wolves made to look bad by the picky gods who eat money and carry guns to shoot wolves? Silver wolves who are alone in the mountains where their ancestors lived, still hunting and holding family meetings on moonlit nights, communing with stars, howling with kids and members who are old and limp, whose hair has grown silver, trying to stay away from roadkill making tourists and piggy governments that say the gun is good, is God. Straw houses are still considered unsafe in a world of scared piggies who forgot that Mother Earth is our only home, and if we worship in the night, howling to the sky goddess, Grandmother Moon will see that there's no need to blow the house down. And if we decide then to build a house of community, that is her answer. So when the silver wolf comes knocking, let her in.